chocolate babies. What is that? Mastermind. Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's dipped in chocolate. Oh, hold on. Let me put on some of my lip gloss. Okay. Guys, don't forget to go in my description below and check out my lip gloss. Okay? Because you want to be looking like different chocolate. Different chocolate be looking fine and fire. So, guys, don't hesitate. So, guys, I'm talking too much. So, guys, today I'll be showing you 10 ways to do your braids, your knotless or your box braid. This is knotless. I did it by myself. So comment down below if you want dipped in chocolate to do your braids. And don't come saying I want free hairstyle. Nothing is free, baby girl. It's COVID times. It's hard times. Don't be coming in my comment section about free hairstyle. I believe I'm going to do a freestyle for one of my subscribers. Just bring your braids and I'll do your hair free. But that's for another video. We're not talking about that in another video, but another video we're gonna talk about that. So guys, 10 styles how to do your braids when you go out casually or work or something. This is just a casual look. It's a handkerchief that I put over it. So I'm going to show you the style again. So this would be number 1. So this is my hair. Guys, I did a pretty good job on my hair. So the handkerchief is like this, right? See there? And I fold it. Is this like adjacent? Yeah, I think so. And it's going to be like this. Make sure it's it. Yeah. And then you're going to wrap it around your hair like this. So this is number 1, and this is like the pirate style. If you watch the Pirates show, you always see the pirates have them handkerchief around them head like this. I think I did it better the first time. Yeah, so this is number 1. This can be worn to like you're going somewhere, and they can use different color handkerchief and it can match your outfit. So number 1 is kind of cute. Yeah. So the number 2 is like you're going to do a swoop. Ooh. You're going to do a swoop. So you're going to like part out that part of your hair, and then you're going to swoop it. And oh wait, let me show you guys first. Round a back. You're going to catch up round a back. And guys, you see, if your braids can like catch up your hair, you don't need any sponges. Like, let me show you. Let me show you guys. Like use the braid itself to catch up the hair. You see? Yes. Yeah, guys. See? It catch up real nice. And then you're going to swoop it around. So now guys, I'll be doing my edges with the Roshan olive oil gel with my toothbrush. So I'll be doing the swoop edges with a little bit of sideburns. So swoop to swoop. Yeah guys,
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't be sitting there watching the video and don't like, comment, and subscribe. So yes, and I also added a little bit more lip gloss because without the lip gloss, you cannot be totally a baddie. Period.
So on to another one. Well, this can be wrapped up also. So maybe this will be number 3. So I'm going to wrap it up. Yes, guys, so this can be number 3. Let me wrap it up. I like this. This is like a work. This is a, let me try to put on this. Oh my god, this is pretty. This is really pretty. This is really pretty. Really pretty. Let me just. Oh my god, it's not going together. Alright. This is really pretty. So number 4.
So I'm going to put it up. So I'm going to cornrow this side and do like a leave out. This is how I cornrow my braids. Try to grip them, okay? Try to grip them as much as possible. Yes. So I'm going to do the same thing to this side. I didn't think I wanted to do a braid on this side, but I'm like, why not? Some of these hairstyles that I don't do. So I'm going to take this and put it to the back. Yes, guys, this is number 4, number 5. I don't remember. This is number 4. So number 5 now. So number 5 more to go. So I'm going to be cornrowing the hair over to this side. So I'm going to pull out this side.
So this style is very tribal. It looks like a Ghanaian or a Nigerian girl. Dark skin girl. Skin just like pearl. Yeah, girl, going with the African self. Yes. Peace. Yes, so those are the tribal beads that I used in my hair. Also, that up in 1 and 2 tribal beads going down is one of the hairstyles that you can try. So I'm going to put my hair in 2 now. I'm going to part it out with my hands. Yes, very straight. And then I'm going to catch up my hair in 2 with the braids itself, because you know that you don't need any scrunchies to catch up your hair when you have braids in. You can use the braids themselves to catch up your hair. So I'll be leaving out 2 at the front. I'll also be catching up this side of the hair while using the braid itself to hold it together. Oh, you look like a schoolgirl. Yes, so this style is very beautiful. Look at the lip gloss. People go in the description for my lip gloss. Yeah, it look like a schoolgirl. So now I'm taking down the braid. It's pretty easy to take down, and I'm going to be doing this style up more into a ponytail now, while using the same braid to catch it up. And I'm also leaving out the 2 at the front same way and wrapping the ear around in a bun, and I'm going to do that again to the opposite side. Yes, so guys, don't forget to please like the video. So I'm going to wrap it around and around and around, guys. I had to pat it down because my hand just touched it a while ago. Yes, go round and round and round and round and round. Guys, I look like Itana from Avatar. Whenever I do this style, I look like Itana. Comment down below if I favor Itana, if I look like Itana. Yes, and I'm giving you her hairstyle, so I totally look like Itana. No, totally. So these hairstyles that I'm doing is mostly tribal styles.
So guys, why didn't you guys tell me that that was more than 10? But for good luck, I gave you 2 more, and this is the last one. This is the 12th. I didn't know I was there. Let's do my hair. So this one is, I'm going to put it up in 1, and I'm going to use the kerchief again to keep it in place. Woo. This hair come like my natural hair. It literally not up on me just now. Like, what? How are braids supposed to be knotted? I thought it was knotless. No pun intended. Okay, so I'm going to wrap it around. Guys, you realize that I don't use any scrunchie because the braid itself can be used as a scrunchie. A scrunchie? Is there any English people on my channel? Scrunchie? Is there any if I ever go to London, I will already know to speak. Can I get some coffee? Oh my god. No one knows my hand in another way. Yes, I'm going to wrap this around like this. For the entirety of this channel, I'm going to be speaking like a British. No more patois. I'm an English girl. Anybody want to send me £1? Long live the Queen of London. That's what they said, ain't it? Bloody hell. Bloody hell, masseuse. Masseuse is French. Masseuse. What is masseuse? Masseuse. I've heard it in cartoons. Masseuse. Alright, so I'm going to fold this part of it. And I'm going to do it like this. No, it's not this way. This is this way. Right? To fold it this way. And don't forget the edges. So I'm going to change up the edges a little bit. That's terrible. Oh. That's terrible. Dipped in chocolate? That's terrible. What are you doing to your head? What you do to your head dipped in chocolate? Ha 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 ha. What are those? I don't know how to do this, but I'm still doing it because I'm gonna learn. I'm gonna learn. Oh. And I'm not learning. So what a pity. So what a pity. What a pity. You're not learning. I'm so beautiful. Like, oh my god. My people, thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications to be notified when I upload another video. And just, people, one thing I need you guys to do is to click thumbs up. Come on guys, you see, one time you like the video, it is going to boost the video itself. Like, it's going to be all over YouTube if like I get a lot of likes. Yeah, so I see a lot of you guys watching the video and not liking, and I'm really sad because I really need that boost, because I really need a lot of persons, like millions and millions and millions of persons, to watch my channel, because I'm funny and I'm nice and I'm very friendly and all of those wonderful stuff. And guys, dipped in chocolate, like, who doesn't like dipped in chocolate? Yes, just please share my video with your friends and your family so that I can reach the 4,000 watch hours. Be a good person. Just love you guys. I'm going to put my lip gloss in the way to say goodbye, my chocolate babies.